Hello, I'm Tom Rake with AVI, and we've got something exciting here today. We've got an EVA. What's an EVA? Well, I got news for you. It's that. A hybrid EV vehicle without all the parts around it to keep you from seeing anything. There's nothing fake. We don't have something being simulated. We don't have a voltage that's not what you'd normally see. When someone can go ahead and service this, they can service the car because it's the same thing. It's put together in a small package. It's got the technology, has the ability to hook up a scan tool. It has the ability to scope. It has the ability to use all the test equipment you need. Hey, there's an added bonus here. Not only can you do the best training on EVs with this unit, but you can customize it for your school. All the parts that are open here that you can easily get to and see, there's panels that go on there to support your school. They go ahead and support whatever graphic you want, and it's all wrapped so it looks beautiful for shows at your school. So there it is. Everything you need to do the best EV training in the market and look good and make it yours. The EVA, exclusively from AVI.